Question 1. Ted had 3/4 as many stamps as Ben. That means Ted has 3 units and Ben 4 units. After Ted gave Ben a few stamps, Ted then had 1/3 as many stamps as Ben. Since Ted gave to Ben, that means the total number of stamps between Ted and Ben will remain unchanged. Before Ted gave to Ben, before the change, Ted had 3 units and Ben 4 units. The total is 7 units. After Ted gave Ben a few stamps, Ted had 1 unit and Ben 3 units. The total between Ted and Ben will be 4 units. Now, we have to make this 7 unit and 4 unit the same because the number of stamps between both of them remain unchanged. So we'll take 7 times 4 to become 28 units. And 4 times 7, that will be 28 units. So we take this entire row to multiply by 4. That gives us 12 units and 16 units. And then the last row we multiply by 7. And then 3 times 7 will be 21 units. And the question says that Ted gave Ben a few stamps, but we don't know how many stamps did Ted give to Ben. What we can see here is that from 12 units, it became 7 units. That means we minus 5 units of stamps for Ted. And for Ben, from 16 units, now he has 21 units of stamps. That means we plus 5 units for Ben. So Ted gave 5 units of stamps to Ben. And the total between them still remain unchanged, which is 28 units. We know that they have a total of 140 stamps. That means 28 units will be 140 stamps. 1 unit will be 5 stamps. Let's find out the number of stamps that Ted gave to Ben, and that will be 5 units. So Ted gave 5 units of stamps to Ben, and Ben received 5 units of stamps from Ted, and their total remains unchanged. So let's find out how much is 5 units. 5 units will be 5 times 5. That gives us 25. So Ted gave 25 stamps to Ben. Question 2. Ali and Bala had a total of 140 marbles. Ali had 2/5 as many marbles as Bala. Ali has 2 units and Bala 5 units. After Ali gave Bala some marbles, that's the change, Ali had 1/4 as many marbles as Bala. Ali has 1 unit and Bala 4 units. Find the number of marbles Ali gave Bala. Let's set up this frame again, which is the before, change, and after. Before the change, before Ali gave Bala some marbles, Ali has 2 units and Bala 5 units. Their total is 7 units. And then Ali gave Bala some marbles, and Ali now had 1 unit and Bala 4 units because Ali had 1/4 as many marbles as Bala. Their total units will be 5 units. Since Ali gave to Bala, the total number of marbles between Ali and Bala remains unchanged. Hence, we need to make this 7 units and 5 units the same. So we'll multiply this by 5. That gives us 35 units. And for 5 units, we'll multiply by 7, and that gives us 35 units. Now let's multiply the first row by 5. 2 times 5 is 10 units. 5 times 5 is 25 units. And the last row, let's multiply by 7. 1 times 7 is 7 units. 4 times 7 is 28 units. Now let's find out what is the change. Before the change, Ali had 10 units. After the change, he had 7 units. That means Ali needs to minus 3 units. So 10 minus 3 will be 7 units. And for Bala, before the change, he had 25 units. After the change, he had 28 units. So Bala increased by 3 units. Ali and Bala had a total of 140 marbles. That means 35 units, which is the total marbles between Ali and Bala, is 140. Ali and Bala had a total of 140 marbles. That means 35 units is equals to 140 marbles. 1 unit will be 140 divided by 35. That will be 4 marbles. 1 unit is 4 marbles. Ali gave to Bala 3 units. So 3 units will be 4 times 3. That gives us 12 marbles. So Ali gave Bala 12 marbles.